Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best soldering stations that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Ever struggled with precise soldering on electronics projects? Using a basic soldering iron can leave you with uneven joints, overheating, or poor control. If you want cleaner, more accurate work, this is where a precision soldering station comes in. Meet the Weller 5-30W Precision Grip Soldering Iron Station, WLSK3012A, a compact 120V soldering solution designed for precision and reliability. Adjustable 5 to 30 watts for delicate or more demanding tasks. Analog temperature control for smooth, precise heat adjustment. Ergonomic precision grip handle reduces fatigue during long projects. Compact design, 9.84 inches by 7.87 inches by 11.81 inches, easy to fit on any workbench. Quick heating and stable temperature for consistent soldering results. Pros: precise temperature control for delicate electronics. Comfortable grip for long sessions. Compact, durable design. Cons: analog display may be less intuitive than digital models. Limited wattage may not suit very heavy-duty soldering tasks. Ideal for electronics hobbyists, DIYers, and professionals who need precision soldering for small circuits, PCB work, or delicate repairs. At around $55.88, it's an affordable, reliable soldering station that delivers great control and durability, perfect for serious hobbyists and small workshops. Number 4. Introducing the YIHUA 853D2, a USB SMD hot air rework soldering station, a versatile tool combining soldering, hot air rework, and DC testing in one compact unit. Hot air rework function for SMD components and circuit repairs. 30W soldering iron with adjustable temperature for precision work. DC power supply, 0A15V, 0A2A, perfect for testing and powering small electronics. 5V USB charging port for mobile devices. 35V DC voltage test meter built in for quick diagnostics. Compact size, 9.96 inches by 7.32 inches by 4.88 inches, and weighs 4.76 kilograms, easy to place on a workbench. Stable temperature control for consistent soldering and rework. Pros: multifunctional, soldering, hot air, DC testing, USB charging. Precise temperature control for both soldering and rework. Great for SMD repair and electronics prototyping. Cons: slightly heavier than standard soldering stations. Hot air nozzle can get very hot quickly, requiring careful handling. Pricier than basic soldering stations. Perfect for electronics enthusiasts, repair technicians, and hobbyists who work with SMD components or need a compact, multifunctional soldering and testing station. Priced at $129.99, it offers excellent value for its multifunctionality, combining soldering, hot air rework, and DC testing all in one station. Number 3. Introducing the Smith 239-193 Handi-Torch, a reliable, portable torch made of brass, perfect for precise heating and small-scale soldering. Durable brass construction ensures long-lasting use and heat resistance. Portable and lightweight at just 1 pound, easy to handle for precision tasks. Adjustable flame control for precision soldering, heating, and small repairs. Compact design, ideal for workshop or field use. Works efficiently with standard torch fuels, check compatibility for your needs. Pros: solid, durable brass build. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Adjustable flame for precise control. Cons: requires manual fuel refilling. Flame can get very hot, so careful handling is necessary. Not as automated or electric as modern soldering stations. Best for hobbyists, jewelers, and repair technicians who need a portable, reliable torch for soldering, heating, or small repairs. At $142.09, the Smith Handi-Torch is a durable, high-quality tool that's worth it if you need a portable, precision heating solution for workshops or fieldwork. Number 2. Introducing the X-Tronic 3060 Pro 75W Soldering Iron Station Kit, a complete kit for soldering enthusiasts with everything you need in one set. 75W adjustable soldering iron with LED display for precise temperature control. 3 temperature presets, an option to switch between degree C/degree F. Comes with 5 extra soldering tips for various projects. Includes mini magnifying lamp and 4 helping hands for accurate work. Accessories included solder sucker, tweezers, 50G solder, brass sponge with flux, wet sponge, grounding wire, and side/top mount solder roll holder. Sleep function helps extend tip life and energy efficiency. Pros: complete kit with all necessary tools for beginners and hobbyists. Adjustable temperature with LED display. Affordable for a full-featured soldering kit. Cons: not as powerful or precise as high-end professional soldering stations. Some accessories may feel lightweight or basic. 75W might be overkill for very small, delicate electronics if not adjusted carefully. Perfect for beginners, electronics hobbyists, and DIY makers who want a complete soldering kit without buying tools separately. At just $28.99, it's one of the most affordable full kits on the market, offering excellent value for beginners and DIY electronics projects. Number 1. Introducing the YIHUA 939D Plus Digital Soldering Station, a high-performance, ESD-safe soldering station with precise temperature control and durable aluminum panel. 120W power with 75W equivalent output for consistent soldering performance. Digital LED display showing temperature in degree C/degree F. Precise temperature control for delicate electronics and lead-free solder. ESD-safe design protects sensitive electronic components. Aluminum panel construction resists burns and ensures durability. Includes solder tips, lead-free solder, and essential accessories for immediate use. Compact and sturdy design, 5.4 inches by 4.4 inches by 3.6 inches, easy to place on any workspace. Pros: high-power digital station for professional-level soldering. Accurate temperature control for sensitive electronics. Durable, burn-resistant aluminum panel. ESD-safe for safe electronics work. Cons: higher price than basic soldering stations. Might be overkill for casual hobbyists or beginners. Some may prefer more preset temperature profiles. Perfect for professional electronics technicians, serious hobbyists, and anyone working with sensitive or lead-free solder projects. Priced at $289.95, it's a premium soldering station, but worth it for professionals needing precise, durable, and safe equipment. Check the link in the description to grab yours, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics tool reviews.